everyone, welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're going to make a custom Connect 4 game. So I got this really cute mold from Amazon and you can use it to create a custom Connect 4 game. So here is the game base and here are the game pieces. I think this is a really cool way to make a custom present for your friend or family. You can customize it to any color that you want. Here are the supplies that you're going to need. You're going to need some epoxy resin. Today I'm going to be using resin from Teexpert. I'm going to be using some silver flakes and also some colors in dark turquoise and yellow. And since this is a very thin mold, I want to make sure that my table is level. So today I'll also be using my leveling table from Teexpert. This table has a built-in leveler, so you line up the bubble with the circle so that you know that your working space is level. Alright, let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and put down a piece of freezer paper because I get pretty messy when I work with resin. Let's also get a pair of gloves on. Resin can be very sticky and it's also hard to get off once it's on your hands. So always wear a pair of gloves and make sure you're in a well-ventilated room. Even though the resin is low odor, it's still safer to be in a space that has a lot of air circulation. Let's take a look at our resin. Cure time is 24 to 48 hours, work time is 30 to 40 minutes, and the mix ratio is 1:1 by volume. Make sure to stir slow so you don't introduce too many bubbles. Let's go ahead and add some colors. These are from Color Obsession, and this one is called Daisy Yellow. And these are very thick, so a little bit goes a long way. I'm just going to stir it up a bit and just scoop a little bit and stir it in. Same thing with the other one. This one is called Dark Turquoise. This one's very pasty. And in the last one, I'm going to add some silver flakes. Okay, so now I'm going to pour the clear with the flakes into the main game mold. Here I'm pouring carefully so that I don't get too much resin inside the hearts. Okay, so this is actually harder than it looks. I'm getting a lot of resin into the middles of the heart. So do make a little extra so that you can lose some resin. And over here on this side, we're going to fill in the circles with our two colors. And make sure not to overfill them. Alright, so the resin is filled, and as you can see, it is so important to have your workspace be level, because if it's not, then your game piece might not fit together. Now all you have to do is wait 24 hours for it to set. Alright everyone, so it's been 24 hours and now we're ready to demold. Let's go ahead and take out the panels first. Okay, so that's one side. And here's the other side. Here are the side triangles. Oh, they look really good. So what we do is we stack the two pieces in this direction so that you see the slots right there, like this. And then we put the triangles in here on the sides to lock it in. Okay, there it is. Here's our game piece. And what's nice is that you can remove it to store it flat when you're done playing with it. And here are the little tabs. These tabs look very thick, so I'm not sure they'll fit. Let's go ahead and pop them out. As you can see, they're actually really easy to pop out. Okay, so here are the yellow pieces, and oh my goodness, they look like candy. So most of these actually look really good. There's a few where we have some bubbles on it, but not many. So most of them actually look very good. Let's go ahead and take out the teal colored ones. And here are the teal colored ones. And they turned out really nice too. Look how shiny it is. This is really pretty. Alright, so now the moment of truth. Let's see if it slides in to the slots. Oh, it does. Let's put the yellow one next. This is so cool, you guys. It really does work. Alright everyone, so this is so much fun. Oh my goodness. So what you can do after you're done is to just open it up and take out all the pieces like that. And then you can easily put it back together again and play another game. So this mold is so much fun. You can make it with any colors that you want. As you can see, we did 2 color scheme, but I think you can also start mixing colors. You can also do white drops into these, which will look really good. And you can also embed things like glitter or confetti or even some sprinkles. So what color would you use for your Connect 4 game? Let me know down below in the comment section, and I'll see you next time. Bye!